Discover the Yenlk folding basin, a versatile and durable solution for all your washing needs. Made from high-quality BPA-free silicone and polypropylene, it's soft, easy to clean, and built to last. With 3 different sizes, stylish color contrast, and anti-skid features, it offers stability and convenience. Its collapsible design saves up to 70% of space, making it perfect for home, camping, or travel. Easy to carry, store, and multifunctional, the Yenlk folding basin is your ideal washing companion. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Lifeventure Ellipse Mug, the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. Crafted from lightweight, durable, and BPA-free polypropylene, this vibrant camping mug is built to last and easy to clean. It can be attached to your gear with carabiner, making it ideal for hiking, camping, or picnics. Made in the United Kingdom and recommended by the Duke of Edinburgh Award Scheme, the Lifeventure Ellipse Mug combines practicality, eco-friendly design. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a reliable and lightweight outdoor dining set? The Lifeventure Ellipse Set is your perfect companion. It's made from food-safe plastic that is BPA-free, ensuring safe eating wherever you go. This 4-piece set includes an ellipse plate, bowl, cutlery, and 300ml mug, all designed to be durable yet easy to carry. Bright in color, tough for all ages, and ideal for camping, picnics, or festivals. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Light My Fire Spork, a versatile 3-in-1 reusable plastic cutlery set designed for adventurers and outdoor lovers. These eco-friendly sporks feature safe serrated edges, ergonomic handles, and are safe for microwave and dishwasher. Whether you're enjoying ice cream at the beach or ramen at the campsite, these lightweight, durable, and easy-to-clean utensils are perfect for on-the-go meals. Say goodbye to disposable cutlery and sustainable living. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a reliable and stylish way to enjoy your favorite beverage? The Stanley Adventure Mug is perfect for keeping your beer cold, fizzy, and tasting great for up to 4 hours. Made from high-quality, rust-proof stainless steel, this durable 18/8 stainless steel cup is lightweight and built to last a lifetime. Stackable design saves space, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Whether you're on picnic, hike, or camping trip, this mug has got you covered. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the comment. Discover the Haoyuan folding bowl, the perfect solution for all your washing needs on the go. Made from high-quality, non-toxic, and environmentally friendly materials, this durable bowl resists heat and is completely safe. Its innovative, foldable design allows you to shrink it to less than 5 centimeters in height, making it incredibly portable. Whether you're traveling, camping, or enjoying a picnic, this multi-purpose basin is your versatile companion. Easy to hang, stable, and reliable, it's an essential for outdoor adventures. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for the perfect camping tableware set for your outdoor adventures? The CSYY camping tableware is a lightweight, durable, and safe 24-piece set designed for 4 people. It includes large bowls, salad plates, dessert plates, and cups, all made from food-grade polypropylene. The stackable, unbreakable design makes it easy to carry, clean, and store. Whether you're camping, picnicking, or enjoying a party, experience convenience and safety with CSYY. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.